Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Jio Bharat app and tapping your profile or menu icon in the top right. This takes you straight to settings. Once done, make sure the app is updated. Outdated builds hide options. If you see a settings entry labeled language, tap it now. You do this early because changing language affects interface labels and help text throughout the app. Switching before deep navigation avoids confusion. If settings isn't visible, check the three-dot menu or app permissions first. Now choose the language you prefer from the language list. You'll see regional variants for some languages. Pick the one you read best. Tap the language, then confirm with apply or save so the app persists your choice. Once confirmed, the app will often reload or prompt you to restart. Permit this so UI labels and help text refresh correctly. This step changes both menus and system prompts, so check a couple of screens to verify the translation is effective and consistent. Complete the process by reviewing key screens, Home, Payments, Profile, to confirm language switched everywhere. If some labels remain in the old language, restart the app or reboot the device first. That often resolves partial updates. If the problem persists, clear the app cache or reinstall the app because corrupted resources can block language changes. As a last resort, capture a screenshot, note the app version, and contact support so they can reproduce and fix the issue for your device and language pair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.